In her cosy dim bedroom, Melody hugs her starry blanket tightly. Sometimes she senses magic weaving around her in the night air. As Melody drifts into a serene slumber, whispers of melodies fill her dreams. Each note carries sweet whispers, guiding her swiftly into a dreamland. In this land, everything sings, from the flowers to the gentle breeze. With each step, her laughter mingles with the symphony of her surroundings. Soon, she finds herself resting atop a cloud, cradled by soft melodies. Beneath the cosmos, she experiences rest, lulled by the symphonic night. Finally, she stirs awake, the comforting sounds still lingering around her.